The #1 best-selling book on Kindle, downloaded by over 20,000 people. IELTS Reading Strategies, the ultimate guide with tips and tricks on how to get a target band score of 8.0 plus in 10 minutes a day. Are you finding IELTS listening difficult and struggling with it? Are you looking for a book that helps you achieve an 8.0 plus in an effortless way? Would you like to learn all strategies, tips, tricks, structures, and vocabulary for IELTS reading in just 10 minutes a day? If your answer is yes to these above questions, then this book is perfect for you. This book is well designed and written by an experienced native teacher from the USA who has been teaching IELTS for over 10 years. She really is the expert in training IELTS for students at each level. In this book, she will provide you all proven formulas, tips, tricks, strategies, explanations, structures, reading language, and synonyms to help you easily achieve an 8.0 plus in the IELTS reading, even if your reading is not excellent. This book will also walk you through step by step on how to develop your reading skill. Clearly analyze and explain the different types of questions that are asked for the IELTS reading test. Provide you step-by-step instructions on how to answer each type of question excellently. As the author of this book, Rachel Mitchell believes that this book will be an indispensable reference and trusted guide for you who may want to maximize your band score in IELTS reading. Once you read this book, I guarantee you that you will have learned an extraordinarily wide range of useful and practical IELTS reading strategies. Tips and tricks that will help you become a successful IELTS taker, as well as you will even become a successful English user in work and in life within a short period of time only. Don't delay any more seconds. Scroll back up, download your copy today, and start learning to get an 8.0 plus in IELTS reading tomorrow.